To create or join a Steam family in Steam 2025, first we need to click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of the screen and move to the settings. Now when you're inside of the settings, select the family right here, and if you want to create family, click right there. And if you want to join a specific family, then you'll be able to do it right here as well. But there's also another option to do it. Now let's create one of the families. We can enter the name, click on create, and then you will see that you're the owner adult for this family profile. Now you can invite members, and that's what I mean by joining it. So if you have someone that you want to join their family on Steam, they can go to their account and select invite a member, and then you'll be able to choose the specific users that you want to share a family with. So pick whichever one you like and then invite him either as an adult or a child. That way you'll be able to invite or join families as well.